This phone is so strong. Just look at that. It's so broken. Like you can you can take uh, you can take this. Look at that. It's so broken. Like look at that. Look at that. Side by side. It's almost gonna tear off, but it's still working. Like that. It's so broken, but it's working, guys. But I need to just look at that. It's deformed. It's not straight anymore. Look at that. It's still working. That in fact, if I have money, maybe this week. If I have money this week, or maybe I don't know, I will gonna um prepare this phone. 'Cause this phone is very useful to me now, guys. This is very a useful phone because this is where I put my PayPal, all of my accounts here, Gmails, and any other important documents. I have to I have to prepare this and take care of this phone. And look at my camera here. It's broken too. It's broken. And the thing is, you see this here. That's the reason why my camera, when I am live, uh, it's like there's a black spot in my live because of this. I can see the camera here, so I have to repair this phone and repair this phone, or maybe buy a new one for upgrade, guys. So I need your sponsor, guys. I need your help, tips, or sponsor, or something like that, or something like donation. uh, I would be so grateful, guys. Christmas is coming, and maybe if someone would gonna um, give me gifts, I would gonna it would be so grateful for me to receive some gifts. Or And if you're gonna question me about uh, you want some gifts from me, then all I can give to you is my love, kisses, love and kisses, just like that, guys. Because I don't have uh, things, I don't have money to give, but I can give you your pure freaking love. Love is all I have. 4 hours of live now, and 5 like. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for all of your support.